Has your parents ever yelled at you for eating too much junk food? Well, I have the solution. Stay tuned. I asked myself, is there a way to make pizza healthier, but also keep that same taste and make my mom healthy at the same time? So I took my question to the internet. And guess what? I found lots of healthy pizza recipes. One was a cauliflower crust and the other had an excellent looking sauce. So I merged them together to make my own modified recipe. After that, I went to the store and got all the stuff I needed. Then I began my creations. I had a few misfires, but I overcame them, and yes, it's possible to make a yummy, tasty, healthy pizza. I learned how to modify ingredients in pizza to make it healthier without losing taste. I learned how to experiment with my recipe and different flavors. I learned that keeping it simple is sometimes the best way to go. The biggest challenge I faced was following instructions and keeping on task. I overcame my misfires by persevering and focusing on details. So the answer is yes, you can make a pizza that's healthy but also delicious. So follow my lead and try cauliflower pizza crust margarita pizza, please.